This video is made possible by Vagabond Vacations. What's up guys, today I'm in an abandoned hotel shooting with Amy. Today we're shooting on the 70-200 from Canon, so without any further ado, let's make some portraits. Woo! I like these here. Let me see, because the full-on light is not gonna look good yet. It's still a little bit strong. Ideally we'd be shooting this way. I kinda like shooting with a harsh light when the light is behind you. I'm gonna try and shoot over these bushes here. We might have to move you a little bit. These are super nice. This angle is working good for us, so if we can kind of keep on shooting in this direction for now. Let me have a look before I move you over. There should be one where you have the arms a little up in the air, because we have a palm tree in the back. Yes, which... Oh, I really like these poses, yes.
Oh, that's incredible.
Or these Brazilian dancers or something like this. Let's keep walking. Could you just stand in this pocket of light for me? I want to have a look from over there. Could you come a little bit forward? Yes, there the light is hitting you. The frame is working. Oh, these were good. No, we got some really good. You get a little bit of hidden vibe here, like your own world. It's not bad here actually. Maybe we have to move you a little bit forward, I think a little bit closer to these plants. Could you come somewhere here? I'll have a look what it looks like. I'll have to be a little bit further. I feel like there will be some light coming on you. We might have to put you a little bit more to the back. It really looks like you're in the middle of the jungle. I think today is gonna be a good day, I feel it.
I feel it in my bones. It already is a good day.
Yeah, right?
You're killing it.
Yeah, we're a good team.
Yeah, we definitely are. I love it.
We are for sure gonna get a different view. And maybe we try some without the cap just to change it up. Here we go. Up. Okay. Maybe we can do one where you lay pretty nice. You kind of look like this badass superhero villain or something, laying on top of the world. Maybe even all the way you can walk into some crazy freestyle poses. All right, go for it. Maybe we can do one more where you're like luring into the vastness of the abandoned place or something. Wow. I think I got it.
Love it.
It's a very good one, right?
Yes, love it.
We can have a look at the amphitheater. I think the purple can work here actually. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention there is slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation.
I just like the hanging from the netball thing one. I think that would look cool in the...
You can do it, right?
I don't know if I can reach it.
Maybe I can give you a footstep. We got a basket ring over there. We have Amy over here. Now, quite a big gap between Amy and the basket ring. So we're gonna try and get her up there. Okay, hold it. This is some super jam stuff, or what's it called?
Oh, love it.
This one is very nice.
Looks so cool with the purple in the background.
Exactly. We're gonna go to the amphitheater now. It's one of the locations we didn't shoot at yet. Oh, I like the ninja pose. We should try and maybe stay in the superhero theme. We can move you over a little bit, then we will not need the steps. I'll move the stick. Oh, or you can even use it like as a prop.
The world has ended. And
Yeah, you're the only one left. We're gonna move you down one step. This looks very cool. I like the superhero pose. I feel like you'll be able to come a little bit closer, maybe somewhere over here. So we have a little bit more in the frame. But the results are, yeah, this is a nice one. I'll make one for the gram as well. We need a name for you as a supervillain. Really cool actually. Can you make a shot where you pull sides from here? Because the background looks amazing for this right now. Wow, really, they are killer shots. I think we should try the hands. Alright, I'm ready for you.
Oh, love it.
Oh, they're very cool. And the sneakers make it. We have these storm clouds in the background, so you can see it behind me. It's gonna look super edgy. I'm going for the kind of supervillain theme with her because she has some crazy gymnastic poses. So I feel like this combination, the purple lingerie with the tower and the dark clouds in the background, is gonna be superb. Can you be on the ledge on the side? Walk down the stairs in the corner. Hold it. Wow, really killer shot. You can make a few big freestyle poses. And that's it for today guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.